Hi guys. Welcome to another new episode. The video I will present to you today is the same as the one I have uploaded on my channel before. You can watch that video. I will give the link to the video in the description. I will make another wood stove, but I will make it from waste or discarded waste. Let's get started. This is a part of an old kerosene stove. In this part, I found it mostly ready for my design. In the still image, you can see the kerosene stove that I used to use a lot in the past. I will use the bottom of this part of the stove as a way for oxygen to enter. There is also a hole in the top and inside so that the oxygen coming from below will help the wood in the stove to burn. This is the cover of the cooling fan of an AC motor that I collected from an abandoned state. I will use this part as a filter under the stove. Only ash will flow down through this filter. I am preparing the upper part of the stove so that it can be set properly on it. Now I am welding the two parts and fixing them. I am removing the old stands for placing the pots, which were damaged, and welding new stands. I smoothed the stands by grinding them. Now I am preparing a mixture of cement, stone and sand as required to give the stove a design. Mix it well and make a paste with water as required. I made a round mold with a formica sheet. I placed the stove in the middle of the mold. Since the mold was soft, I marked equal spaces on all sides with some pieces of PVC pipe. Now I put the mixture of cement, stone and sand paste inside the mold. After the paste filled all the spaces inside the mold, I removed the pieces of PVC pipe. I filled the remaining empty parts with paste. If you look closely, you will see that I have left the holes for oxygen to enter empty. The next day, I opened the round mold and just made a thin paste with cement and coated it on the concrete. Now my stove has got a great view. After 2 to 3 days, I put dry wood pieces inside the stove to light the fire. I lit a piece of paper and put it inside the wood piece. The fire started to grow slowly in the stove. Now the stove is completely ready for cooking. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comments section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.